gonna get down to the install, obviously. Bring you in closer. If you ever done bulbs on one of these trucks, you know it's a matter of just, and then these slide out and the bottom ones clip in. So I'm not really going to get into that too much. There's plenty of videos online, I'm sure, for that. I will probably set y'all up on time lapse, get the bulbs changed out, and we'll go from there. So as you can see with this one, there's just not really enough space to get in there. So I'm gonna have to find the right size for these 4 bolts probably to remove this. Actually 6, because I found some over here too. Remove this so I can drop that light in. It's just physically a lot fatter from here to here. So let me go do that and we'll come back to it. Okay, just went to the toolbox. I don't know if it'll pick that up on camera, but that's a 5.5 millimeter. You can already see it starting to loosen that one. Put it on time lapse. I'll take these 6 out, pull this off, drop the bulb in, tighten it, and then I'll tighten this back where it goes. Something I wanted to note I thought was cool. Little cooling fan. I know some people are going to be like, dude, they all have them. Well, this is my first set of LED bulbs, so I'm a bit of a dinosaur sometimes, I know. Removing this piece was not in their instructions, so that's okay. They sell them as, you know, replacements for the 9006 and 9005 bulbs, so obviously you're gonna have to figure some stuff out yourself. But right now I'm gonna bring you back here so you can see the whole front of the truck, and I'm gonna go in and turn the headlight switch on. Alright, in the daylight you can already see the difference. That one's obviously much brighter. This is just a test to see if they work. The true test is at night. Okay, everything's working. I'm going to go over and switch over to the other side and get them done. Alright, so this is with standard bulbs. The low beams, high beams. Alright, so we're back. It's nighttime now, so I can actually show you the difference here. So, let me shut the interior light off so that doesn't skew things. There's low beams, high beams. Heck of a lot brighter. I'm gonna go drive around the neighborhood here in a minute and let you see how that is out on the road. Alright, so just gonna take a little ride through the neighborhood. Actually brighter on the low beams than the high beams. So here's a real dark spot a few streets over, no lights on. I'd say it illuminates it pretty well. High beams, so-so. Let me know what you think. We'll be back to wrap it up in a moment.